The traditional car buying process often frustrates consumers with lengthy negotiations and perplexing pricing. This shift in strategy addresses those pain points for today's buyers. By adopting this new approach, manufacturers gain enhanced control over brand representation and customer experiences. They can now ensure a uniform and high-quality journey from initial interest all the way through to purchase. Leveraging big data allows manufacturers to collect real-time insights into customer preferences and behaviors. This capability facilitates more personalized marketing strategies and enhances product offerings in the future. Collecting first-party data from customers can significantly inform product development and marketing strategies for future vehicles, ultimately improving customization options. Moving away from conventional dealership models may yield substantial cost savings for manufacturers. This can potentially enable lower prices for consumers or reinvestments in cutting-edge technologies, increasing market competitiveness. However, transitioning to a direct sales model presents both operational and legal challenges. Careful planning is necessary to sustain relationships with existing dealers while navigating this newly established landscape. Moreover, the shift to direct-to-consumer sales could disrupt local economies reliant on traditional dealerships, creating challenges for significant employers and tax contributors. Understanding this impact remains essential. Investment in digital infrastructure and customer service skills is crucial for a seamless transition. Developing user-friendly platforms and efficient logistics will significantly enhance the overall customer experience. Legal challenges are considerable, as numerous states safeguard traditional dealership models. Companies like Ford and Toyota must navigate these regulations to ensure compliance with their new sales strategies. Dealerships typically prioritize profit over customer experience, relying heavily on vehicle markups and additional services, such as financing and insurance. This profit-driven dynamic complicates the implementation of digital solutions. Ford is embarking on a sweeping transformation of its dealership model, targeting fixed pricing and evolving dealerships into high-tech service hubs to optimize customer experiences. In response to the price war ignited by Tesla, traditional automakers like Ford are compelled to refine their online sales strategies and enhance the overall buying experience to remain competitive. Ford's initiatives to align its pricing with Tesla's resulted in significant financial losses, with its Model E division reporting an astounding $700 million loss in the first quarter of 2023. This financial strain underscores the challenges faced by conventional automakers. The ongoing price war raises concerns about the sustainability of practices within the EV market, potentially hindering crucial advancements in electrification and innovation throughout the automotive industry. These repercussions may impact the sector's future growth. Furthermore, economic factors such as rising interest rates and inflation exacerbate challenges for firms like Ford, complicating efforts to sell EVs at profitable prices. This scenario cultivates a challenging market environment aimed at maintaining competitiveness. Consumers have become increasingly price-sensitive, often prioritizing cost over brand loyalty amid economic uncertainties. This shift significantly influences automakers' strategies moving forward. As Ford grapples with financial losses tied to its electric vehicle investments, its future appears uncertain. Analysts caution that without strategic changes, the risk of bankruptcy may loom for some automakers. In contrast, Tesla's direct-to-consumer sales model allows the company to effectively lower prices and manage inventory. By bypassing traditional dealerships, they can swiftly respond to market demands.